Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will be showing you how to use Echo RSS feed post generator plugin to automatically delete the post that it generates after a period of time. So this will work, for example, like this. So you import some posts to your site, and let's say you wish to keep these generated posts only for 1 month or for 1 week or for 1 day, and the plugin can be configured so it will automatically delete the post that it imports after the period of time you specify in its settings. So let me jump straight into this and let me show you how to configure the plugin to do so. So first of all, we need to go to the plugin's main settings. And here we need to search for a settings field called Enable Post Auto Deletion Feature. So you should search on this and search for this settings field and be sure that this checkbox is checked, and go ahead and save settings. After you've done this, we can go ahead and configure our importing rules. So we go to RSS to post rules and set up a feed that we wish to import content from, and click settings for it. And now search for automatically delete post settings field. So keep in mind that this will not work unless you have checked the checkbox from the plugin's main settings. And afterwards we can define here when the post should be deleted automatically by the plugin. So let's say we enter here +1 week. In this case, the generated posts will be kept for 1 week, and afterwards the plugin will automatically delete them. You can enter anything larger than 1 hour. So the minimum time frame that can be entered here is +1 hour. In this case, the post will be kept for 1 hour. So let's say we enter here +1 month and save settings. And in this case, the plugin, when it is run, will go ahead and import content to our site, and the content will be kept only for the time frame that we specify in this settings field. So 1 month, the posts that will be generated here will be kept for 1 month, and afterwards they will be automatically deleted by the plugin. So yeah, this is how the automatic post deletion feature works in Echo RSS feed post generator. And if you have further questions, let me know, guys. So let us go ahead and check on posts that were generated by the plugin, and here they are. So these posts will be automatically deleted after the period of time we set in plugin settings. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Until next time, let me know what features would you like to see in the Echo RSS feed post generator plugin. And as always, please subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. And have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.